Okay, so write a word equation for chromium reacting with oxygen to make chromium oxide. So what we've got to do here is transfer the reactants into the right place. So chromium plus oxygen, and that is making chromium oxide. Okay. What type of reaction occurs when chromium reacts? So whenever we're adding oxygen, you can see here, all we've done here is take our chromium and add oxygen. Whenever we do that, that reaction is called an oxidation reaction. So that's option D. Calculate the relative formula mass for chromium oxide. So chromium oxide has two lots of chromium, which is 2 times 52, which is 104. It has 3 lots of oxygen in, which is 3 times 16, which is going to be 48. 8 and 4 is 12. 152. Marks wise, 1 mark in here for doing a bit of working out, and then 1 mark for your final answer. 3 different metals are added to test tubes of acid. The observations shown below. Put the metals in order of reactivity from the most to least reactive. Okay. So in this situation, if we look at the observations, the magnesium is steady bubbling. So that's definitely going to be the most reactive. We've then got silver is no change, nothing's happening, so therefore it's not reactive. So silver is going to be the least reactive, and that leaves iron in the middle, being because it's done some slow bubbling. Hydrogen gas is given off. What is the safest way to ignite the gas? So when we ignite hydrogen, we normally get a lighter splint and put it into the end of the tube. So that's described by option C. State the observation to show that the test is hydrogen. So what will happen here is it will burn with a squeaky pop if it's going to be hydrogen. Iron is extracted by heating with iron oxide of carbon. State why iron can be extracted. So that works because the carbon is more reactive than the iron. So the carbon is able to take away the oxygen from the iron in that reaction. Final little bit, state why electrolysis is not used. Electrolysis depends on the use of electricity, and therefore it is an expensive process. So why is electrolysis not used? It needs a supply of electricity, making it expensive.